is my favorite cinema. That is the movie theater where I come to when I fix my truck. I have to come here to watch the trains. That is Union Pacific Roadability Shop. Watching the trains is fun. Some people don't make sense of it, don't know what's funny in it, but the science, the magnitude, and the potential, how humans overcome this, that is most complicated mechanical problem. Making metal carry goods, traveling thousands of miles at 90 miles per hour, 500 miles a day. That is an enormous challenge. Challenge is how do you keep the wheels with the heat and the friction, how do you keep the brakes functioning, how often you change the brakes, the wheels, the linkage, the welding. On the top of all that, each one of these containers belong to a customer, and the customer have to be kept happy, which means the merchandise cannot be collapsed inside, you cannot shake them violently, you cannot turn the box upside down. Each one of these containers will have somewhere between 20, somewhere 50 pallets of goods inside. Some of them have electronics, everything that humans use, from guns, explosives, military stuff, parts, electronics, food, dry food, whatever human needs to survive, to have it in these containers. They travel in the states, 50 states, they travel on ships all over the world. If you watch them carefully, every manufacturer, every shipper on the planet Earth comes here. Have to transport the stuff on trains. He is braking. He's slowing it out. This is a Mediterranean shipping. The MS is the Mediterranean Shipping Company. The average. And my turn is up. I wanted to hear the brakes, and I have another attraction. It is not going to end. Oh, they're calling me? No, they are not calling me. Every time you hit the brake, you destroy something, you have to replace it. And remember, there is no oil. In the train, there is no oil. So you lubricate the axles by leads. Lead cylinder around the cylinder with axis. Each wheel you have the lead cylinder. That is the end of it. And this is an internal local engine, 2 engines. They never go outside. I guess. I'm not very sure. From my observation, these motor engines are internal. Where is the engineer? Not here. This is empty. The engineer is right here. He's driving backward. That is the engineer.